Ffion and I'm Cywain's new development manager for Swansea, Neath and Port Talbot. Cywain supports Welsh food and drink producers to grow by providing direct support, improving skills and providing opportunities to maximise growth. We work with both established businesses and new businesses that need help and support in starting up. Support is given through group and individual one-to-one sessions on a variety of topics, including business planning, market insight, branding, finance, digital, sustainability, finding new markets, and outside of lockdown, attending trade events. Over the past 12 months, Cywain has seen an increase in new business startups joining the project. Swansea, Neath and Port Talbot have been recognised as an area of potential full of entrepreneurial people with quality products. I'm keen to work with more startup and small businesses from the area, so if you're a baker, a roaster, a cheese maker, a distiller or any other kind of food producer looking for support to grow, get in touch. Cywain is a free service funded by Welsh Government, tailor-made to support Welsh food and drink producers, and it's easy to join. You can find out more by taking a look at our website and social media channels. If you want to get in touch with me, you can email cywain@mentorabusiness.co.uk or call 01745 770 036. Diolch!